Today, if you want to be mind blown, let's talk about the flawless design of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Bismillah. In mathematics, the superior proportion number, also known as the golden ratio, is 1.618. It's often called the most beautiful number in the universe and can be seen in all of God's creations. Each part of the human body is designed perfectly using this ratio. The face, limbs, fingers, heart, lungs, and brain, just a few examples. 1.618 can be seen anywhere else, from snowflake crystals to the someone teach me how to say that. The phyllotaxy of plants, our heart pulse or blood pressure in animals, in DNA strands, and even in the space of the universe. Then the Earth must be in perfect accordance with this number too, and it is. But what exactly is the golden mean point of the Earth? The proportion of distance between Mecca and the North Pole to the distance between Mecca and the South Pole is exactly 1.618. Furthermore, the proportion of distance between Mecca and the South Pole to the distance between both poles is again 1.618. Additionally, the eastern to the western distance of Mecca's solstice line is yet again 1.618. Also, the ratio of Mecca to the solstice line from the west side and perimeter of the world at the very latitude is again the golden ratio. Also, if we accept the modern rectangular world map as having endless depth, the golden point of the Earth will still be Mecca. Therefore, Mecca, the holiest city in Islam containing the Kaaba, which is what we pray towards, is in fact the only golden point of the Earth. And considering the Earth's surface of 510 million square kilometers, Mecca only covers 0.000235% of it. This number doesn't even compare to the littleness of the possibility of Mecca being the globe's perfect point, given the fact that its proportion with the spherical Earth has to be exactly 1.618, which is a random, very specific number out of every number that exists, which is infinite, that seems to work perfectly with the creation of every living being. Regardless of what mapping system you use, though they may differ by a few kilometers, the golden point of the Earth will always land within the city borders of Mecca. And according to basic probability calculations, all of this cannot be a mere coincidence.